Hey guys, welcome back to the final chapter of bringing this Sears yard sale joiner back to life. I put links in the description for the restoration of the motor and the joiner, so check those out if you're interested. So now the mission is to put them together and make it work. I'm pretty much winging it on this project and just kind of making up as I go along. Here I am taking some preliminary measurements to see if I can get these two components to play together nicely. The motor speed of 1725 RPM plus the 4-inch pulley should give about somewhere around the recommended RPMs of 3600 at the cutting head. That's per the manual, which I was able to find online. Okay, now let's saw some plywood. My dust collection system leaves much to be desired. Here's a mock-up of the motor enclosure and the base. The angle brackets were free in a box that someone put out for the trash. I could use a little help here. One of you guys want to hold this while I get this last clamp on? Never mind, I got it. Here I'm drilling holes for the motor mount. Time for the big test. Disassembly is complete, and now the beautification starts. I meant to do that. This thing's heavy. I'm not going to lie, this thing took a lot longer than I had anticipated. I spent quite a while trying to get the cables aligned and level. It still needs a few tweaks, but it's getting there. I need to make some push blocks, and I need to make a safety cover for the belt and pulleys. But that will have to wait for another day. Thanks for following along with me, everyone, while I was cleaning up and getting this Sears jointer up and running. It was a fun, interesting project, and if you like this sort of thing, please consider subscribing. I read all the comments and respond to them all. So, until next time, this is Bill saying thanks for watching.